think it's time to make hot chocolate. Let's make some. Did you know that the 31st of January is National Hot Chocolate Day? Can you believe that the first chocolate drink was created over 5,000 years ago, starting with the Mayo culture in what is now known as Ecuador? Made from ground-up cocoa seeds mixed with water, cornmeal, and chili peppers, the Mayans were drinking chocolate as early as 500 BC. However, it was much different than the beverage you're familiar with today. It was served cold and brewed like a beer for celebrations. Apparently, Mexican cultures once used chocolate as currency. The Aztecs believed that chocolate was a gift from the gods and would only drink it on special occasions. The Mayans added cornmeal and chilies to the drink, creating a frothy mixture called chocolate. I hope I'm pronouncing it well. As for the Aztecs, they added honey and sometimes vanilla for sweetness and drank it on special occasions, as mentioned earlier. The explorer Cortes brought cocoa beans to Europe in the early 1500s. The Spaniards added sugar to make it more palatable to European tastes. However, it was during the 1650s that hot chocolate began to make a splash in London. Sir Hans Sloane, an esteemed physician and collector, is often credited with popularizing the beverage in England. After staying in Jamaica, he experienced the local chocolate drink commonly mixed with water. Hans Sloane was an Irish physician and was the first to create the modern-day hot chocolate recipe back in 1687. As for the English, they added milk instead of water, creating a richer, creamier version. The drink was a favorite of King Louis XV of France, who sometimes made it himself. Cocoa beans became popular in the 19th century with the development of factories like Cadbury's in England and Meunier in France. Until the 19th century, hot chocolate was used to treat ailments such as liver and stomach diseases. Doctors believed it had healing abilities, including curing stones, expelling poison, and preventing infectious diseases. Marshmallows first came into the picture in 1917 when the company Angelus Marshmallows published a recipe for hot cocoa topped with her product. It's not clear if it's 1907 or 1917, though. When chocolate was brought back to Spain in the 17th century by conquistadors, it quickly spread throughout Europe, where it continued to be considered a luxury and a drink of the elites. Originating on the continent from Spain and more expensive than coffee, chocolate was seen as Southern, Catholic, and aristocratic, while coffee was viewed as Northern, Protestant, and middle class. While hot chocolate and hot cocoa are often used interchangeably, they're not actually the same thing. Hot chocolate consists of shaved, melted, or liquid chocolate, while hot cacao is made from a fine powder form of sugar and cocoa, or cacao. Hot cacao is a powerful elixir, one which boosts mood and vitality and combats stress, anxiety, and pain. For good reason is the chocolate tree's scientific name, Theobroma cacao, ancient Greek for food of the gods. For what other drink tastes great is filling in nature and stimulates mind and body. No wonder then that this beverage has been a favorite of rulers, warriors, and explorers for centuries. Chocolate has also for centuries been rumored to be an aphrodisiac. And with Valentine's Day around the corner, why not make a special recipe of hot chocolate? If you have an interesting hot chocolate recipe that you've concocted or a special recipe that's been passed down through generations, please share in the comments.